Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce the Tiny Land Wooden Baby Walker, a vibrant and multifunctional toy designed to support your child's development while providing endless fun. This colorful walker features an interactive panel with a mirror, spinning gears, and learning toys, helping toddlers develop their color perception as they take their first steps. With a controllable speed system, this walker ensures a safe and customizable walking experience for toddlers of all ages, allowing them to explore at their own pace. Crafted from natural wood and polished to a smooth finish, it guarantees material safety with non-toxic components and silent rubber wheels that protect your floors. The modern design and vibrant colors not only make it visually appealing but also enhance the walking experience, making it a delightful addition to your home. Inspired by Montessori principles, this walker encourages parent-child interaction, promoting language, perception, and coordination skills through shared play and learning moments. Give your child the gift of exploration and development with the Tiny Land Wooden Baby Walker, where every step is a new adventure. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.